Here you see some examples of bodices from the 15th century. The bodices have no figure seams, only shoulder seams, center back and usually a center front closure. To make a fitting bodice, it's best to make a mock-up. We use 2 pieces of cotton fabric. On this fabric you draw the thread directions, weft and warp. This gives you control draping your pattern. Make the pattern directly on the bodice, instead of a mannequin. In this case, my friend Ankie was the living mannequin. The first piece we pinned to the front of the model. In the middle of this part is the straight grain. When this is pinned, do the same with the back side. First pin on the shoulder. Cut as high as possible towards the armpit. If you cut lower, the armhole will be too big and will ultimately limit the freedom of movement of your arms. After cutting, pin the side together. This is where the side seam will be. Cut the neck a little so that the piece of fabric can follow the line of the body more easily. Also cut in towards the waistline to let the fabric follow the body shape. When both pieces of fabric are pinned close to the body, use style tape to determine the exact position of the seams. Mark the center front and center back on the mock-up and on your model, of course. After this, carefully remove the pinned bodice from the model. Mark the side seam with dots along the style tape. Then fold the overlapping fabric over the tape and make also dots on the other panel. Repeat this process with the shoulder seam. Make sure to make dots and not dashes. Be careful not to forget to put in the markings. Without these markings, it is almost impossible to put the bodice back together. Then take the bodice apart. Now the pieces are laying flat on the table for truing. Truing is the process of using rulers and design curves to connect, smooth out and finalize the markings. In this part of the process you make from dots dashed lines. The side and shoulder seam are straightened. The center front reveals the form of the breast. Follow the dots fluently in a line of dashes. Repeat the process on the back panel. Take also extra attention of the center back. Now the bodice is pinned together. Fold one part over the other and pin horizontally on the seams. This keeps the seams flexible and refit will be much easier and painless for the model. Now the basis of the bodice is done.